Alright, let's unclip the sensor. Pull him out. It's kind of a pain in the ass sometimes. There we go. Pull that through. And we got to cut this wire tie. I'm going to cut this other wire tie without cutting our wire. That's the main thing. Kind of a pain in the butt to get in there. Get my snips. There we go. So now you got the sensor loose. And you got 2 screws with 2 brackets here. You just take him, and we'll leave him out until we get the air handler set. So we'll just set it aside for now. But we definitely want to drill drill for our grommet before we set it. Hold on a sec. Oh.